Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cloud-based email marketing platform with Mailchimp. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Mailchimp website. Create a new account if you don't have one already. Choose a suitable plan based on your business needs. Log into your Mailchimp account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Audience tab to manage your contacts. Import existing contacts using the Add Contacts option. Set up sign-up forms to grow your audience. Customize your forms to align with your brand. Place these forms on your website or share them via social media. Next, go to the Campaigns tab to create your first email campaign. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select Email from the drop-down menu. Choose a campaign type that fits your goals. Give your campaign a descriptive name. Select your audience by choosing the contacts you want to target. Design your email by selecting a template. Use the drag-and-drop editor for easy customization. Add your content, including images, text, and buttons. Personalize your emails using merge tags for a personal touch. Preview your email to ensure it looks as expected. Send a test email to yourself to check formatting and links. Once satisfied, schedule your campaign or send it immediately. Monitor campaign performance by navigating to the Reports tab. Use insights from your performance reports to improve future campaigns. Explore additional features like automation and segmentation. Set up automated workflows for welcome emails or follow-ups. Segment your audience for targeted campaigns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.